Wagwan YouTube, it's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with another video. So today, guys, I am here to show you how I slayed this hairstyle. Well, it's my first time trying this hairstyle, guys, and I did it. I did it. Yes. So if you want to see the finished look, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. So let's jump into the video. Yes, guys, so this is it. Alright, guys, so I'm just gonna create a ponytail look for today. So the things you'll need is some gel, some Eco Styler gel. I use the green bottle one, a mirror, of course, depending on where you're doing the video. You're gonna need a brush. So guys, if you see the hair in the brush, I just use this brush to feather the hair that I'll be using, which is this. Some braiding here, and you'll need another brush to smooth your hair down. Yes, this, and of course a comb and maybe a edge brush, whatever, but I'm gonna use my comb for today. Some hairpins. I already used the scissors, but if you're gonna do, you'll need the scissors, of course. Alright, so let's jump into this video. So I really wanted to do this sit down and talk video. I don't have a clue what I'm going to talk about, but we're just gonna do this video. Alright, guys, so I think you guys would want to know what inspired me to do this, to make a YouTube channel. So guys, I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for over a while now. A long while now, from I was about in 10th grade, 11th grade, yeah, but guess what, guys, I didn't have the resources, I didn't have the time, I didn't have, I was in school, so I didn't have the time at all. So I said, I'm gonna let that be for a while, and of course, I went to sixth form, so my time was well occupied. Hello, mother. Alright, so guys, I am going to... well, that's the length of my natural hair. But I have a perm. My hair is not natural, so I have a perm. It's not the best perm, so alright guys, so let's jump in. Up we go, up we go, up we go. You want to ensure that you put enough gel. So guys, as I was saying before, I wanted to start this channel for a while, but when you're going to school, I left school in 2018, so I got a job, and then I what should I say? I got occupied again, so no time to do anything for myself because I'm working. Of course, you're gonna need a scrunchie. So you're gonna take it right up in the top, and after sixth form so when I went to sixth form, I majored in performing arts, and of course I got a job in entertainment. So I am a entertainment coordinator. Yep. So guys, before this, my hair could even catch up in a ponytail. It was that bad. I think I'm going to do this one where you plait the hair in on the hair. So you want to ensure that your hair is right up, gelled right up into one, and as I was saying, I got occupied. I got a job after sixth form, and so everything that, well, not everything that I wanted to do, I did some stuff, just not YouTube. And so guys, I went to grab my hair tie and I'm back. So what you're gonna do next, you're gonna split the hair into 3 pieces. But before I do that, I'm gonna do my edges, my babies. So guys, my head shape is so weird. Look at it. Ooh, zoop, ooh, zoop, ooh, zoop. Oh lordy. Right, see there. Look at it. Ooh. Mommy, America. Oh, baby here. Oh, look at me, look at it, sis. Look at it, sis. Yes, girl. And it's looking better already, right? Oh, it's kind of weird looking in the camera to do your hair. Nope. I'm gonna take that back out. Let's see if I can put some more baby hair in this chica. 1 and 2. Here we go. I don't want only 2 baby here. I want to ensure that it stays. And so guys, I know I'm straying from the point, right? It's really straying. Alright, so after you do this, then you're gonna split that and that. So I'm gonna just tie my hair front down for now, around for now. No. Yes guys, so as I was saying before, I got really occupied with work and just coming home tired and those stuff. So I really didn't think I would start a channel at all. But here comes COVID. And COVID took us by storm. So here I am on YouTube, doing YouTube videos, trying to make some videos. Yeah, I think that's about it. And that's why I'm on YouTube now. So before now, I wouldn't have enough time to make videos. So I didn't think it was possible at all. Just so you know. So you're gonna take the hair apart. I went in with the brush to feather the end out, but it didn't feather all the way out. But this can work. You just put an elastic band on the end out when you finish. Then you're gonna wrap this on this, like this. So it's hard to explain when you're braiding. So you're gonna split the hair in two. You're gonna wrap this the smaller piece over the bigger piece. So you have 3 pieces of hair. Then you're gonna set your finger like so. Like so. You're gonna ensure the hair is smooth, and then you're gonna braid. So guys, this is actually my first time trying this hairstyle, so wish me luck. So you're gonna put this one with that one, and this one with this one. See, it's already knotty, but you're just gonna braid. So you're just going to, whew, it's hot guys. Braid and braid. You want to ensure it's braided tight enough. Oh snap, 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 snap. So guys, whenever you're doing this part, you always want to ensure that you leave a piece of hair out to wrap the end of the bun or whatever you're going to be creating. So I'm just gonna reverse a little bit, and I'm gonna leave this piece out, right? So I'm just gonna continue. So you're gonna plait and plait this chica out, and I am looking so you can steal a piece from this side just to make each side of the plait look as natural as possible. What I'm going to do, I am going to plait it loose so I can just let it poof up when it's finished. Yeah, I think that's all you're gonna be doing. I'm just gonna show you this end part, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up. So guys, I want to do like challenges, yes, and pranks and those stuff, but not now. I really want to do it now, but I don't really have anyone to do it with. You know, I have my mom, but she's not a fan of videoing. I have my sister, she's not also a fan of videoing. So I gotta find a video partner. Yeah. So you're gonna plait the ends out so you can steal pieces and those stuff. So you're gonna plait all the way to the end, plait, 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 plait. So I want to go do some video, but because this corona thing, people don't, here in Jamaica, nobody wants to visit. Well, I can visit a few people, but not all. Alright guys, sorry, I'm talking too much, just get to the point. Alright, so now that this is finished, you're gonna take this part and you're just going to wrap it around the hair. Ooh, around and around we go. Yes, 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 yes. So when you're finished wrapping this thingy around, you're gonna grab your hairpin and you're gonna pin it in the root of the hair. I think this is it. Hold on guys, I'm almost through. So you're gonna, if you want it big like poofy, you can go ahead and pull this part out. Out and out and out. And there we have it guys, almost through. You know what I wish I had? Those little shiny stuff. I had some, but I had finished them on a previous hairstyle. I'm gonna have to go get some more. And there we have it guys. There we have it. If you want to go over this part, you can add some accessories to the hair and those stuff. I'm just gonna use a hairpin to pin this part down, and there we go. All done. Oh, finish. Final touch. Final touch. Final touch. You know you can do this hair look without a hoop. You can even wear it in this. So that's another hairstyle there, baby. Alright guys, so if you like this video, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you like most about this video, and of course, stay safe. Remember to stay at your yard and do these styles. You have nothing to do, sis. You can do these styles, alright? Enjoy the rest of your day.